alphabet on the train. A fun, cheerful kids' educational song for learning the alphabet. A for apple, shiny and red. B for ball, rolling ahead. C for cat, with a happy face. D for dog, running in the race. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for grapes, purple and sweet. H for hat, looking so neat. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jug, water and juice. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, roaring at the sky. M for mango, jumping and sweet. N for nest, with eggs so near. O for owl, night king. P for parrot, flying in sight. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining on the train. T for tiger, roaring again. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van, going everywhere. W for watch, ticking on time. X for xylophone, ringing its chime. Y for yacht, big and long. Z for zebra, stripes for all.